Hi guys, how are you? This is Risa, and it's great to be here. It's fantastic to be here. I am back from my holidays, and it was fantastic. I've been away for 5 weeks, and I just got back, and I had an amazing time. That's all I can say. It was just amazing. But the reason I am on this video is to talk about something that I find very disturbing. Um, I have been hearing, like for the past 5 weeks, I've heard of a lot of killings, men, destroying women for whatever reason, most likely for cheating. This is in Jamaican talking. Most likely for cheating, as they say, the women give them bun and they just destroy the women. And I find it very disturbing. I just heard of one where a National Defense soldier, or JDF, Jamaica Defense soldier, just destroyed his wife because he heard she had another man in another part of the island. And he just, she had her demise there. And I'm saying, men are sensitive creatures. With something, like cheating, they take it very serious and they need help. Their anger gets out of control. They are not able to control themselves. And so the only thing, and because Jamaicans are aggressive by nature, um, they turn to violence. And usually that is taking the person's life. And this is just one of the many sad, sad cases. There was another one a few days ago also where another person destroyed another female because of the same thing. And I'm saying, ladies, you've got to be careful. And, sometimes they say, you're supposed to talk about it. If you do something wrong, you talk about it and you ask for forgiveness. There's no forgiveness here. And these men, you women know these men that there's no forgiveness. So if I'm not saying anybody should deceive anybody. I'm just saying if you did something and it's out of character, I don't think you should go confessing to nothing. Absolutely nothing. What he don't know won't hurt him. What he knows will hurt you. Because he, he will destroy you and destroy you forever. So not everything good to eat is good to talk about. So I would just be silent if I were you, just to save your life. And a lot of these women are with men that has invested in them. The latest thing is to have the designer bodies. And so these men may pay for the butt enhancement and the breast enhancement and the lip enhancement or whatever it is. And after getting this enhancement, you think you're going to be able to leave these men? I don't think so. You are stuck with them for life. They made an investment in you, and you think you can just walk away and leave them? I don't think that'll work. They're not going to let you go like that. They would rather destroy you than know another person is going to enjoy the privileges that they paid for. So, if you are going to let a man invest in you, know that you are going to spend the rest of your life with him or until he decides that you can go. He finds somebody else and then replace you. So, if you are going to want enhancement or any kind of investment, my suggestion is you do it yourself. Find a way and facilitate your own enhancement or whatever it is. Don't let a man invest in you and then you're going to try and what? Give him bun. It ain't going to work. He's not going to have it. So ladies, I beg of you to spare your life and his life, because these men are taking, it's a murder suicide. They are taking their own lives after they destroy you. So please, I am beseeching you. If you're doing your thing, do your thing and keep quiet. Not that I am not endorsing cheating or anything, but you know why you've got to step out of a relationship. And if you've got to step out of a relationship, you may as well end it. Don't cheat. Because I think the men would appreciate it more if you end the relationship than you cheat on them. You know why you probably have to step out of the relationship. For whatever reason, you may not be satisfied, he may not be doing something right, or whatever it is. So, end the relationship instead of cheating. And that's just my men, you need to get help. You need to be able to find someone to talk to. You need to get anger management, which will help you in controlling how you feel. Because not everything is about destroying a woman. How is that going to make it better? How is that going to make life better? It's not, because you're going to kill yourself. There was another incident last week when I was in Jamaica. Another gentleman, he befriended someone on Facebook. He's married, has kids. He sent this young lady his picture, naked picture of his willy. And to surprise, she posted it online and put a caption, Little Willie. Well, Mr. did not take that very lightly. Mr. Went and drank Gramazone, which I think is antifreeze. He died. He died next morning in the hospital. He didn't kill her, because apparently he probably didn't know where she was, but he killed himself for something as silly as that. Who cares if you have a little willy? One, his face was not showing, it was just his little willy. And yes, it was little, but who cares? It's his, he's married, and his wife didn't seem to have any problems with it. And so he took it to heart. Men are very sensitive when it comes to their private parts. And if you know you're sensitive and you don't have anything to show, to showcase, I don't think you should be taking pictures and sending it to anyone. That's something you should keep private. Or you're going to have to bear the consequences of your action. And your consequence was getting it posted on Facebook. Now he's dead. His children are without a father, and his wife without a husband. Does that make any sense? Absolutely not. So there need to be some kind of change. I don't know what you're giving the men in Jamaica to drink. Maybe it's gunpowder or something, but something ain't right. So I just want to tell all you ladies, be careful of what you say and what you do and how you do it. Well, this is Risa Mac. Thank you. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel. I may just have more to say. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.